Hi guys, welcome. Today's workout is one of our kettlebell workouts. So you're going to simply need one pair of kettlebells. I'd like you to go to the heavier side, but if it's the first time that you're doing something like this, I want you to go with something that you know that you can handle. The reps are not high, so therefore that's why we're going for the heavier kettlebell. But also too, we're going to break this up into pairs. So what we call couplets. What we're going to do, we're going to take one pair, we're going to go for a round of 6 minutes, and then we're going to have a 2-minute break, and then we're going to repeat that 3 more times, each time a different couplet. And the reps of the couplets, as I said, are just going to be low. So couplet number 1, we're going to come into a Russian swing with a side step, and all we're looking at is to get a set of 6. Okay, so you're going to go with your normal Russian swing. As you swing, you're going to side step. As you swing, you're going to side step. Now the challenge here is when you step in, can't step in too much, otherwise it's going to hit one spot. So with our swing, big step, down, big step, back. So you're going to go 1, 2 for a set of 6. You're then going to come into the rack lunge. Now this one I want to use a pair. So I'm going to take one on my right hand, one on my left hand. I'm going to simply hold them here, and I'm going to alternate backwards and forwards. 1, 2, and I'm going to get my 6. So what I'm looking at basically is 3 to the left, 3 to the right within my swings, 3 lunges to the right leg, 3 lunges to the left leg, and we're simply going to repeat that process, and that is couplet number 1. Couplet number 2, we're going to go into a Cossack lunge with an overhead lunge. That is the first movement. Then we're going to go into a single hand thruster. So again, we just need to use the one kettlebell. So the first movement is we're going to come into the right hand side. We're going to step all the way up like our Cossack. Now it's up to you. If you can only come to here, that's fine. If you can come all the way down, it's down. So it's 2 Cossacks. Step up, leave that leg position, put it into the overhead position, and now you're going to get 2 overhead lunges. First one, second one. Okay, so that's going to be the right hand. You're then going to change, you're going to go to the left hand. So 2 Cossacks, pop it up, 2 overhead lunges, and then you're going to come back to the right hand. Okay, and then you're going to go single hand thrusters. So basically that is a squat and a press. Okay, and you're going to go for 2 right, 2 left. So repeat that one. 2 Cossacks, pop it up, 2 overhead lunges, change hands. Do the same thing, change hands again, 2 single hand thrusters, change hands, 2 single hand thrusters on the opposite side, and you're simply going to repeat that. So again, the rep range is not high, but if you're picking a decent set of weights, it's going to be taxing on you. Moving into number 3, you're going to grab the second kettlebell, okay, and you're going to go a double arm, single leg deadlifts. In other words, I'm going to pop up into the one leg, pivot, going to come down. As you can see, balance wise, it's going to take you a bit of time to get judged with the balance, but I'm simply looking for 4. So from here, I'm going to come up, 1, 2, 3, 4, then I'm going to change legs, 4 on the other side. I'm going to pair that with my overhead squat. Now not everyone can get an overhead squat, so I simply want you to do this. Pop it up above, turn out into your sumo position, and I want you to come down to where you're into control. Now for me, I have to elevate my heels, but when I elevate, I can come a whole way down and a whole way up. Or alternately, I go to a much wider sumo and I can get my overhead squat. Otherwise, it's here, wherever you've got range to, step back up. So again, single leg deadlift, 4 on the right, 4 on the left. Overhead lunge, overhead squat, 4 on the right, 4 on the left. Coming into the final one. Now this one is we're going to keep this one simple. It is renegade rows, which I'm going to show you with the pair of 20s. We're going to keep the number at 6. That is it. So we're here, we're in our push-up position. Hold, arms, knees, shoulders, everything is stacked. 1 row, 2 row. Okay, I'm going to get my 6. I'm then going to stand up. I'm going to grab 1 kettlebell, and I'm going to get my 6 swings. So again, Renegade rows for 6, 3 each side. Stand up, one kettlebell swing for 6, get back down and repeat the process. This is a challenging workout. At the moment, I'm just under 390 calories burnt in those half an hour. 6 minutes of work, 2 minutes of rest. Pick a weight that you know is going to challenge you. I've got a pair of 20s. Alternately, pick a weight that you know that you can do and concentrate. Slow it down, focus on the form. Overhead, make sure the hand is stacked right up, it's not out here. Okay, making sure that it's here. Rack position, we're not talking up here like this, we're talking here, sitting here in the front. And that's also going to force you to have to pull your posture back so you're not leaning forward. That's today's workout. It's kettlebell 1, 4 little couplets, 6 minutes of work, 2 minutes of rest. Bye.